Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a new recipe that is crispy paper dosa. It is a breakfast recipe from South India. We all love to make dosas in our houses. There are more than 1,000 varieties of dosas nowadays made in India. So this name dosa, it's a very interesting story how it originated. So whenever we make dosas, so the batter, when we spread the batter on the pan, the first sound we hear, that is sh. And when we flip the dosa to the other side, the second time also we hear the sound sh. So we hear this sh sound 2 times. That's why the name originated dosha. And now in India we all call it as dosa. So that's an interesting story behind dosas, the name, how it originated. As the name itself, it also tastes very good also, and we all try it out our home. So many of my friends and subscribers are having queries regarding making crispy paper dosas. So today through this video I will try to solve all those queries. So let's check out the recipe. For making dosa batter, I have taken urad dal 1 cup and rice 3 cups. So the ratio is 1:3. We have to wash this in clean water 2 to 3 times. So now I have washed this urad dal and rice. Now we will wait for 6 hours. After 6 hours, we will grind it into a fine batter. After 6 hours, we will use the same water for grinding this urad dal into a very fine paste. So transfer this into a grinding jar and make a very fine paste. So never throw this water. Always use this soaked urad dal water for grinding. This makes our dosa nice and crispy. So I have grind it into a very fine paste, and this is the consistency, little watery consistency. Near about 1 glass water I have added to make this fine paste. Now I will grind this rice also. So I will not use this rice water. So now we will check out. Yes. To see whether it has properly grind or not, you can just rub this paste in between your fingers. So if you feel some grainy texture, you can make it into a fine paste. Now it is perfectly grind. I will transfer this into our batter. Mix this batter very well. You can see the watery consistency, neither too thick nor too loose. This should be the consistency of our dosa batter. Now, after mixing it, close the lid and keep it aside at least for 8 hours for fermentation. I am keeping it overnight, so we will meet tomorrow morning for breakfast. After overnight fermentation, the batter is ready for preparing the dosas. We will add 1½ spoon of salt. Mix it well. So the required portion I am transferring into a bowl, and the remaining portion we will keep in fridge for next use. So for making the green chutney, the ingredients required are 1 cup of roasted groundnut, 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, some 4 to 5 garlic cloves, some 5 to 6 green chilies, and some curry leaves and mustard seeds for tempering, and salt to taste. We have to grind all these ingredients into a fine paste in a chutney jar. So for tempering of the green chutney, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add some mustard seeds. When the mustard starts spluttering, add some curry leaves. And add our green chutney. Switch off the flame and our chutney is ready. So for making crispy paper dosas, we have to add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix it nicely. Take a spoonful of batter and spread it. Put a little oil on this. So once it turns golden brown, turn over our doshas. Yes. So now it is done. The other side is also cooked properly. Take this. So wipe out with a tissue paper and clean this dosa tawa once more for the next dosa. Put some oil. So it has turned golden brown. We will turn it on the other side. So our crispy paper dosas are ready. It goes very well with green chutney and sambar. So we can make the dosas in many varieties. So one such variety I have tried. So this is the cap dosa. It's very interesting. Kids will love it to eat. So it's very easy to make. Just we have to give a cut in the center of the dosa in this way. Up to the center we have to cut and just make it into a cap shape. And your cap dosa is ready. Kids will love it. So in this way, we can prepare many varieties of dosas and enjoy and relish with our families. So stay connected, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.